So Redmi's launched the new Smart Band Pro. The price on the box is 5,990, but it will be available for a little less. We'll have the latest price as well as the links to buy it in the description below if you guys are interested. Now in the box of the Redmi Smart Band Pro, you'll get the Redmi Smart Band itself, along with a magnetic charging cable and some documentation. The documentation will help you set it up quickly, and you have to download the Xiaomi Wear app, which is available on both iOS as well as Android. On Android, it will also sync up the watch with Strava, and on iOS, you can send the data to Apple Health as well. Now, setting up the watch is rather simple, and the app almost immediately picks up the smartwatch and pairs it up with your profile if you already have a profile, and it'll sync up all the data in no time. You can also easily set up a profile in case you haven't already done that. Now, Xiaomi is calling this an upgraded version of their smart bands, and it is supposedly a more sports watch style device versus a smart band style device. And you do have a much larger 1.47-inch AMOLED display. This display also has 450 nits of brightness and a ambient light sensor, so it'll automatically detect the light levels in your room and change the brightness levels for you. The display also has a nice 238 ppi of pixel density, along with a full 100% NTSC color coverage, which means that not only will you get vivid colors, but a good resolution as well. Now, this watch is different. I'm calling this a watch because this is more like a watch. It's a bigger display as well. And then you also get 110 workout modes. So you can choose from a whole host of modes. Anything you can basically think of, you can find in this watch. You also have multiple underwater modes. So you do have 5 atmospheres of water resistance, which is typically given to slightly higher end watches, but now you're seeing it in smart bands and smart watches lately. So the Redmi Smart Band Pro also has that. And you do have swimming as well as several other exercises that you can do within water that are supported with the smart band as well. You also have a new vibration motor, which is actually customizable so that you can get notified in a way that you prefer. And then again, you have a whole host of workout modes that you can choose from. And then you also have auto workout modes. So if you're walking, running, or on the treadmill, the watch will automatically detect it and start a workout for you in case you forget to turn on the watch. This is useful for people who usually are not so interested in tracking their activity but would like some data, and this watch will automatically detect when you're walking, running, or running on the treadmill to get that data. The Smart Band Pro has also 50 watch faces that you can change available on the app, and they're quite easy to sync up, and they will be adding more later on as well. So you can choose from a list of 50 to begin with, and then you get more later on. You do have a 14-day battery life, and a magnetic connector, like I said, is included inside the box. There is also a power saver mode, which extends the battery life considerably, and that will give you about 20 days of battery life. Again, depending on how much you're using this number should vary quite a lot. If you're somebody who's checking their heart rate constantly throughout the day, the battery life may be considerably less for you, but this is something that we can test out. The watch also has the LifeQ Health algorithm, which will allow you to track several other activities during the day. This is an algorithm that is typically found on higher end watches, again is available on the Redmi Smart Band Pro. You also get a heart rate sensor as well as an SpO2 sensor, which is something that has become more common lately. Then you'll also get nighttime SpO2 monitoring. So throughout the night while you're sleeping, it will monitor your oxygen levels and tell you if your oxygen levels are low. This is especially useful for people who do have some sort of sleep apnea or have reduced oxygen intake during the night. And this watch can basically detect it. I'm not sure if you can use this as a medical equipment, but if you're having issues while sleeping at night, this is possibly something that can help you with that. You also get stress monitoring along with a sleep tracker, which is a 4-stage sleep tracker. It'll monitor your light sleep, REM sleep, as well as wake up phases, and put everything together in a map for you so that you can monitor your sleep patterns. And then for women, it also has a menstrual cycle tracker, which can be really useful as well. As far as controls are concerned, you do get music controls on the watch as well as notifications from your phone. So if you're getting messages or calls or missed call notifications, you'll get them on the Redmi Smart Band Pro. As far as the shape and overall look and feel of the band is concerned, it feels like previous Redmi bands that we've seen. So you do have a silicone strap along with a polycarbonate shell, and like I said, the AMOLED display on the front. A pretty smart looking Smart Band Pro from Redmi. If you guys are interested, like I said, links are in the description below. If you'd like us to check out any specific feature in detail, do let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash us like, hit the subscribe if you're not already a part of Team iGyan. This has been Bharat. I'll see you guys in the next one.